So this particular blending mode is going to make your real estate photography a whole lot faster and more efficient. Let me show you. Let's go. Alright, so here we are in Lightroom. This is just a simple master bedroom with a master bath off to the left hand side, and you're looking at the ambient layer. So I'm going to do my initial bump right now. Let's bump that exposure up just a little bit. And again, come over here and hit the plus sign next to presets after you make all your adjustments and create a preset right here and just label it something, make sure all these are checked, and then hit create. And that way you don't have to go back through all these sliders with every image. You can just hit your custom preset right over here. So let's move on. This is our main flash pop, I think. Yeah, this is our main flash pop above the camera. And we already did our custom preset on this one. Let's move to this image now. Right here. This is the bathroom shot. Now, if I just do my initial bump right here, let's bring this down. Watch the exposure. All I care about right now is the bathroom photo right here, making sure that's lit well enough, because if we bring it up here, that's too overexposed. We want to bring this down to about something like that. And we'll be able to use this image also to blend in for our window pull. Let's right click and bring these three images in. Open as layers in Photoshop. So all three layers have been loaded into Photoshop. Ambient layer is on top. So let's just turn that ambient layer off for now. And so what I want to do is bring the bathroom layer to the top. And now watch this. Instead of leaving it in a normal mode and blending in our other flash layer underneath, all we need to do is turn this to lighten mode. And if we toggle that on and off, look at it, it's like we just turned a switch on. Everything else stays the same. And we have blended in that bathroom light. So now watch, we just turn on our ambient layer, and for this particular case I am going to try luminosity mode. I like that, it gets rid of the color cast pretty quickly. Let's drop the ambient layer to 50%. Let's do a layer mask, don't invert it, leave it white, make sure black is selected over here, and now we can paint back in for our window view. We'll do that over here. Maybe we can brush in some of that ceiling so it's not so blown out, but we can brush in for that window view over here and get this one over here a little bit better. But there you go. There is a simple way to make your workflow a lot faster. Normally we would just minimize these, flatten this image, bring it back into Lightroom, do our final bumps. I'm not going to waste your time on that. Make sure you leave a comment if you have any questions and hit that subscribe button. Tutorials are coming out all the time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.